Hello ladies and gents, my name is Unbent Diamond 80 and welcome to a game called Five Nights at Freddy's. Now the last time we were playing this, I was talking about some news. I'm really sorry, I should have been focusing on the game. And last off, I died by a freaking bunny. Just came out of nowhere. And you know, this is my first time playing. And also, if you guys want, and for this great sellout moment, hit the like button. Let's pass over to 2 likes. That would be really great of you guys. And also, thank you, this guy named Marcos Ramos for commenting down on my last video. So thank you very much, Marcos. I appreciate that. And if anyone wants to comment down below, we'll just comment. And also subscribe to my channel and like. So let's get started. Ah, crap. I clicked it twice. It was going slow. I'm so sorry. What did it say? Crap. I don't like this already. Oh, boy. Huh. What the heck? What is that? Are those? Why is everything slow? What?
I wanted to record a message for you.
Okay.
To help you get settled in on your first night.
Really?
I actually worked in that office before you.
Seriously, you did, huh? Where are you now?
So, I know it can be a bit overwhelming, but I'm here to tell you there's nothing to worry about. You'll be
Oh wow,
fine.
so Cam 2A checks the hallways, Parkour checks that hallway, but it's completely dark. Okay, one dude checks the stage, around the stage. Cool. Alright, and also I'm gonna stop this video after we pass night 1. I just want to keep it, you know, nice and simple, and also maybe make a playlist as well. Okay. Wait, death? Wait, death by what? I does not care.
Nothing to worry about.
Really?
The animatronic characters here do get a bit quirky at night, but do I blame them? No.
What do you mean quirky?
Those things
Define quirky for me, please.
I never had a bath.
And what's in here? Sorry, out of order. So that must be the bathroom because of the little boy's hand.
You need to show them a little respect, right? Okay. So just be aware, the characters do tend to wander a bit.
What?
There is some kind of free roaming mode at night.
Oh no. Oh no. This is not good. No. 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 I'm not allowing this. No. No.
But then there was the bite of 87.
Bite of 87? What's that?
It's amazing that the human body can live without the frontal lobe.
Seriously?
Now, concerning your safety...
That's actually impressive then, but that's bad.
The night watch.
I believe the frontal lobe is like something.
If they happen to see you after hours, probably won't recognize you as a person.
What do you mean?
They'll most likely see you as a metal endoskeleton without a costume on. Now, since
Seriously?
the rules here at Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, they'll probably try to forcefully stuff you inside a Freddy Fazbear suit.
What the heck?
Now, that wouldn't be so bad if the suit was so
Where
filled with crossfeed,
did the bunny go?
Animatronic devices, especially around
I'm
the
closing
facial
doors.
area. So you can imagine how having your head forcefully
Oh, he's
pressed
right
on
there.
one of those
Oh, that's just creepy. Why is he in front of Cam 5?
The only part of me that would like to see the light of day again would
If
be
this
your
happens
eyeballs
to you, if you guys ever play that game, then just tell me what happens on night 2. Or just act like a jerk and don't please no spoil. Wait, no.
Check those cameras. Remember to close the doors only if absolutely necessary. Gotta conserve power. Alright, good night.
Well, here's my question. Where is the... He's at my front hall. He is seriously at my hallway. The left hallway. How did he get there so fast? how can you even get there that fast? Where is the bunny? I mean, where is the chicken? I swear to God, a chicken was just there. A chicken was just on the stage. I just want to close both doors, but my power is draining. Is it because of the music? Or something? This is creepy. What happened? Oh my God. I survived. My first night and I survived. Hold on. Oh my God, that was scary. I'm sorry. Hold on. I'm done. I can't. That game's a little bit scary. If I even try that again, it'll just be more scary. Well, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And if you do, I'd like for you to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching this video. So, bye bye.